Hi, welcome to the Tonic booth. Here at Creativation we are launching all the beautiful memory books to the US market. Now we have brought across with us the beautiful dies that allow you to make your gorgeous books. So how would you like to make 5 different sizes? That will give you 5 different size books. This one here will give you 3 different size books, and then you've got all your decoration panels to be able to decorate all those gorgeous sides. But look at this, girls. We have got the magnets as well. Now all these magnets come in their own little trays. So let me just open this one up for you and you'll be able to see how easy, look, they're all in their own tray. So there's no more messing about and ending up with a big long fat sausage of magnets. They're all individual, so no messing about. But how would you like to make your book from beginning to end in 15 minutes? Because that's what these dies allow you to do.